What's up, everybody? Zero here, welcoming you back to Fallout 4 Survival Mode. So this time, we're tackling Pickman's Gallery. Now, if you don't know Pickman's Gallery, I don't blame you. It's basically a random encounter. As you're traveling throughout the world, you'll get a... well, not get necessarily, but you'll run into a bunch of dead bodies, and on them is Pickman's calling card, and it will give you his location on the map. Now, this guy is an absolute psycho, like in the best possible way. He takes out all his anger on raiders, but he does some twisted fucking shit. Now, I know I have done this when I was doing, like... Ooh,
Slippery bastard got away before. But Slab won't leave a man breathing.
I kinda like these paintings.
I heard Pickman skinned Roy alive after he snatched
more miserable than
let
me.
the rats get at him. Gives me the creeps just thinking about it.
No joke. The faster we clip this asshole, the better. It always feels like something's watching me in here.
Now, as I was saying, because I love that little scripted. I know I have done a normal playthrough with Pickman's Gallery. Normally I wouldn't, well, shouldn't make another video again, even though we are on survival mode. It's just that this place holds a bobblehead, and I figure the more people, see it, the locations, the better. And this place is absolutely freaking creepy, and I love it to death. So on we go.
Hey!
Still in there? Whoa, shut the fuck up a second. Here's gonna fucking pay for that. This is gonna be a piece of cake.
Oh, I love it.
Well, that was a whole lot of nothing.
That was nothing. That was actually pretty damn fun.
Don't quit, do ya?
Nope, not quitting. Oh, it's deliciously creepy. I mean, it's shorter than Burroughs. Burroughs was fucking a mind trip.
I can do this all day.
This one at least has a sense of righteousness to it. Dude, look at that shit. Yeah, there's what it looks like Pickman's calling card. They're all on here.
I've done this hundreds of times. You think you'll be any different?
Yep. If I don't get you, Pickman will.
Why bother with that? You opening a museum or something?
Yeah. Why not? Look at that shit. So damn creepy. Message to Jack. That was it. Message to Jack. It wasn't audio. Okay.
Seth, it's me. I found out what happened to the scouts who went missing up near the old art gallery. They're dead, Seth. I'm looking at a goddamn painting of Cal's body. Oh, God. What the hell did I do to him? Who the hell is there?
Admiring my collection. I'm afraid it's not complete yet. Soon, though.
Stay away from me, you psycho!
Got it.
Yeah. Just like that. Hold that expression.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, doesn't have a damn care in the world. He kills the shit out of raiders.
You know that? It's called fear.
And it sounds like you're the one that has the fear, buddy. Oh, so good.
Just had to play hero, huh?
Well, I didn't have to play hero. I'm pretty sure I'm in the same boat as Pickman. It's just smaller than a bread box. Oh good, there's a couple legendaries.
Something isn't right. We should get out of here.
Nope. Fuck it. We have too many bones already, but whatever. We'll find a use for them.
Nothing! Nothing there now.
I want to unlock these. Because Kate will like it.
Sweet.
Ain't personal. It's you or me.
Oh, I know it's not personal. I'll still kill you. Either way.
You're still alive? Christ!
Ooh, machete.
Made a big mistake, rookie.
Really? Everybody assumes I'm a rookie.
Asshole, just give up.
It's always the boastful ones that are afraid.
If you think this is bad, you should see some of the blokes I beat up at the combat zone.
Oh, I find this quite entertaining. Don't you worry. Can I grab the handcuffs? Oh, oh, oh. I can! Yay! So he's not like needed for him to stay there anymore. Yes, we'll even take the fucking clothes hangers. Yardstick and cotton yarn. I think we're safe to go up.
Dead already!
They so scared. So scared.
Let me know if you find some spare ammo.
What's up? Boom! Headshot. Was she get propelled by her gushing head wound? That would be awesome. Now I'd really want to go back and take a look. Oh, don't mind the viscera. Fortifying meh. Meh. Oh good, Voltec. I love the freaking atmosphere too. The freaking, I'm saying freaking around, freaking succotash. The creaking of the place. That's the decrepitness of the situation. Is there anything I can break down? Yes. I have a feeling I'm hitting the hitting that magic full soon. Yeah. About 80 pounds. It's a magic number. Targeting quad barrel missile launcher. What? That's amazing. Is that really? It's upgraded? Wow. I bet people got rocked by that fucker. Okay. Hey.
Hey.
This
Take my burdens. It's a magic number.
that'll
Okay.
be worth it.
Oh, it will, darling. It will. 'Cause I say so. What am I missing? If I remember right, there should be another Vault-Tec lunchbox up here. It's kind of tucked away. I could be misthinking. Would not be the first time. Alright. Let's grab bones. The bones. got some kneecaps. Ooh.
I'm gonna tell you, fucking throw it out!
Okay, who's first?
We're losing people!
Come on, you
Luna,
stupid
you better be
bastards.
worth it!
Come on!
Boom.
Check will make you jittery.
Oh, there's one. Got the baseball that's magically spinning. Are you fucking doing that? I want my baseball. Oh well. I just wanted to make it into a grenade. Is that so much to ask?
You're gonna drag that junk around.
Yes, I am, darling. Indubitably, I am. You freak me the fuck out. Ah, shit. Ow. Ow. Ass hat. Alright, let's go collect our booty from up top. Where'd the other one go? Oh, somewhere, I guess. Complete platonic explosion. And yes, that's probably not right, but oh well. Pickman safe. Come on. Bloody hell. There we go.
Nice.
Pickman's blade. Bleeds for 25 additional damage. And I sure hope she liked that. I did it for you, darling. Let's make a deposit. Right here. Aid to Someone stole your sweet roll. Oh, that might be enough. I'd rather be safe than sorry. It's been a while since I've been down here. Yeah, safe than sorry. Let's go. Oh, so much meat. He does enjoy his work, I gotta admit that.
Pickman! Can't hide forever, you sick bastard. Pickman! You can't hide forever, you sick bastard. What's that? End of the line.
Really? I mean, come on, but whoa. I mean, what did Pickman expect? He wanted him come. So you don't think that he was not ready for you? Coming. Oh, I see where I'm going. Don't you worry, darling.
Pack it in, boys. There's nothing out there.
Don't you have a light in that gizmo strapped to your wrist?
I do indeed.
I'm just getting started.
A lot of legendary girls out here.
Dying time is here.
Boom!
Just getting warmed up. Let me know if you find some spare ammo.
Oh, are you running out?
Hey.
Sure.
Trade? No, you have 5,000.
Sure.
I don't want to hear that shit. I loaded you up.
Something ridiculous.
Oh!
More like you mean that's it?
Afraid so, darling. I killed him good.
Yes.
Ooh, lovely.
Are you kidding me? It stinks in here.
I know. I know. What a time to start acting like a girl, huh? Man, they're just so mean. I just need to kill them for their transgressions. Staggering combat knife. Goody. Not really, but okay. Alright, back we go. God, I wasn't even shooting, so why are you commenting? Ah, wonderful. Hmm. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Boom, boom, baby!
Boom, boom, indeed. Boom, 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 boom.
Shit! Lost him.
Oh, don't worry. You'll find me. Actually, I'll find you.
Come on, tough guy. Come on.
Okay, if you insist. What did you just say? I don't. Maybe the slow-mo made him say that. Is there something about rape? Beautiful. How about a little pick me up? Yeah, I'm so glad I did a clean out. Good gosh.
Finally got you, Pickman. Thought you could hunt and torture our people to your heart's content? I'm gonna enjoy killing you. Oh, now it's on.
Hit a girl, would ya?
Again! Do it again! Ah!
Show a girl a good time.
Oh, he fucking came to play. Okay. There's our one good awesome thing.
Bingo.
Hell yeah, what's this one? Gain 5 poison resist. Oh, that's
Hope reading
pretty
that's
cool.
worth our time.
Dude, use it with a Yushenka. Right on. Oh, there's our other one. Lockpick being Bobblehead. Alright.
Bingo.
Good haul, guys. Good haul. Alright. What's up, Sir Pickman?
Excuse me. That was close. Thank you. Those people deserved worse than death.
Oh, absolutely.
They were cold-blooded killers.
They got their pound of flesh. But I'll collect my own again soon. I owe you.
You don't owe me anything. I would have done it either way. That's all the more reason to reward you. If you visit my house again, look deep within my painting, Picnic for Stanley, and you will find my gratitude. You'll need this.
Yep, we already got it. Oh. I wonder if I go back, there'll be something. Oh, I wonder now. What else we got? So we got the most important two things. The awesome book and the lock-picking bobblehead. Man. Bloodied walking cane? That's great. That's fucking great. Oh. Wonderful. And damn it. Okay, let's still end up overweight. Alright. Let's get out of here. Did I get the perk that lets me... No, I didn't get that perk. Okay. Slow running it is. Then, I'm not going to show the, wonderful, the power armor location like I did last time for the normal mode. If you want it that bad, I'd suggest going back to that other video, because I don't want to disturb it, because I'll be adding this one to another 5 power armor locations episode. So I want everything where it is, so when I do the big episode, people know where to find it and how it looks when they get there. Well, like I said, if it's that important to you, I named it the 6th. I think the episode was like Pickman's Alley and the 6th power armor, something like that. But you guys already know we are way above that already. See, the next one would add like 15. I'm curious. Let's go up. What if I don't want to identify myself? It's a psycho. What? Well, now I just want to get my loot. Be on my way.
Aw, man, come back. I was having fun.
So that's all we got left to do.
Come on out. I'll make it get some mother. Over here. Over here.
That's not ladylike. Well, it's the way they used to say things. I really don't care. Curse all you want. The shot heard round the world. This way, please. Might as well grab this shit. We will deposit in there so I can find it again when I do come back. We'll go back in here. call it a episode. Might as well deposit all the things. I'm really interested if it reset the loot in it now that it's a quest. If it did, that's brilliant. I didn't mean to do that. How about we get our pants back on? So shield it. There we go. I'm naked under these armors. Awesome. Everything is awesome.
I don't know. I kind of like these paintings. Feels good knowing someone out there.
Oh, thank you note. Goody. Pickman's thank you note. Let's listen to it. Or read it. Whatever. Thanks, killer. Hey. Free XP. Can't complain about that. But alright, guys. Guess take it all.
You're just wasting space.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did enjoy, smack that like button for me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.